Hey everybody, this is Brian with a quick video on my KPX 250. It's a 2022, it's fuel injected. However, I've had some issues with it. I've only had it for a few weeks, but I've noticed that I've had a couple issues with throttle response, as well as some issues with the bike dying while it's idling. So I looked it up online, and the answer, or the fix, there are a couple videos on this, is to send the ECU back to Lifan, the manufacturer in California. Lifan remaps it and then sends you your ECU back, and that should fix it. Well, I contacted them, followed those instructions, sent it to them. They ended up sending my ECU back to me, but they sent it with the programmer to remap it myself. So unfortunately, they did not send instructions with this, so I did reach out and contact them. They did walk me through how to do it, so I just wanted to make this quick video, show you how to use this device, show you exactly where to connect it, what tools you're going to need to actually do this quick job. But it's very easy, very quick, so let's get started. All right, so the first step, we need to find the OBD port. So the OBD port is kind of hidden under the bike, right in the center behind the motor, and it's under a boot, a rubber boot. It's like a rubber sleeve that you got to pull up, and then there's a little cap here that you got to pull this off, and then you'll have access to it. So the red end of the programmer will plug into that side. The other end of the programmer will plug right into your ECU. So you will have to pull your ECU out of your bike, and to do that, there are 4 6mm Allen head fasteners. You got to pull those out and then take this bracket off. So once you take that bracket off, then you need a 13mm socket to pull off these 13mm fasteners holding on the seat. And then you can pull your seat off. All right, so once you get the seat off, here's your ECU right here. So there's a little rubber boot, you kind of slide down. You got these 2 8mm fasteners, so we're gonna go ahead and take those off. All right, so now that you have your ECU out, you have access to your OBD port. You wanna take the little cap off the OBD port, just like that. You wanna plug in the programmer, just like that. You'll hear it snap in. And you'll plug your ECU into the programmer. Now that you have that, you'll need to turn your bike on. You won't need to start the bike, you just need to turn in the on position. All right, now you see a green light on here. That means you're ready to go. So you just press this go button. It should turn red after just a couple seconds. The red light should turn off. It's done. So it has been remapped. This ECU has been updated. So now that you've done that, you can just disconnect everything. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and disconnect. All right, so once you disconnected that programmer, the next step then is to put your ECU unit back in the bike. So you want to secure it to the bike, connect it back to the bike. You can go ahead and put your seat back on, put your rear rack back on. And you want to make sure that your OBD port is put back into this rubber boot. Make sure you put that cap back on. And then you can tuck that away and secure it in there with a zip tie. So the next step after this would be then to start the bike up, let it run for 6 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. Just kind of work, just let it idle, let it work through that new remapping. And that should fix it. That should fix the throttle response issue as well as the bike dying during idle. So that's it. I hope this video has helped you guys. I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos on the KPX 250, please let me know. Comment below. And be safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching.